India Sisters Kitchen. This is Lata and
Ammu.
Amma, some days it's difficult to decide what curry to make.
Those time, Paruppu Podi is my savior. Today we are going to make that Paruppu Podi. This is a perfect combination to eat with rice. Let's see how to make this simple recipe.
Before that, please subscribe to India Sisters Kitchen. Click the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever we post a video. Okay, let's start.
Place a pan on the stove. Add 150 grams of Toor Dal and roast it slightly.
Amma, I can smell the aroma of the dal. Is this level of light red color of dal enough?
Yes, this looks good. Now add 180 grams of fried gram dal, 26 dry red chilli, 4 Kashmiri red chilli. If you don't have Kashmiri red chilli, you can add all 30 as dry red chilli. You must be wondering why we use so many chilies. You need them to get the right spice level to heat with rice and ghee. It is roasted well. Transfer to a bowl to cool it off. In the same pan, add quarter cup of white sesame seeds and roast it. Once the sesame seeds roast slightly, transfer to the same bowl with another ingredients to cool off. Meanwhile, add 2 tablespoons of oil. Once hot, add 20 cloves of smashed garlic and roast it in medium flame until it turns a little brown and crunchy. Now I am adding the 20 cloves of garlic to the oil. It will take some time to get to a perfect crunchy state. Garlic has roasted nicely to a crispy and crunchy state. Transfer this to a plate to cool it off. Now add all the ingredients together. Add 1.5 tablespoon of salt and grind it in a mixie to a smooth fine powder. Paruppu Podi is ready. You can use this for 2 months. It will be perfectly fine if you keep it close in an airtight box. You can give this to your family and friends who are bachelors, singles, abroad or here locally, and also can use it for your own family. Please try making and let us know how it came out in the comment section.
If you like this video, please like, share and comment. We will meet you with another recipe. Thanks for watching our video.